Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change caption text size in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our captions, text captions, size, etc. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu. Next, hearing enhancements, and here we have our caption preference. And in here we can turn on captions, and to change our text size we need to enter this menu. Right now we have our normal captions, we have example shown at the top, and we can change caption size from this option only in here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.